Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I'm gonna explain how to pronounce consonant in IPA, and I'm gonna give one example of them. Let's move to the video. The first consonant is P. P. For the example, trip. Trip. The second consonant is B. B. For the example, big. Big. Now, consonant T. T. For the example, complete. Complete. Next is consonant D. D. For the example, door. Door. Now we have Ch. Ch. And for the example, channel. Channel. After that, we have J. J. For the example, danger. Danger. Now consonant K. K. For the example, school. School. And then consonant G. G. For the example, girl. Girl. And then we have consonant F. F. For the example, phone. Phone. After consonant F, we have consonant F. F. For the example, evening. Evening. And we have consonant Th. Th. Three. Three. There we have the. Other. Other. Now we have consonant S. S. For the example, muscle. Muscle. After that we have Z. Z. For the example, zero. Zero. And then consonant Sh. Sh. For the example, impression. Impression. Consonant Z. Z. For the example, pleasure. Pleasure. Now we move to consonant M. M. For the example, come. Come. Now consonant N. N. And for the example, friend. Friend. And then consonant Ng. Ng. For the example, sing. Sing. And then consonant H. 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 Happy. Happy. Then consonant L. L. Like. Like. And then consonant for the example, proud. Proud. And then consonant W. W. For the example, win. Win. And the last one is consonant Y. Y. And for the example, yellow. Yellow.